Dry erase wall quotes for May 2023. Whether you're seeking some moral support as the seasons change or a reminder that all will be fine in the end, these quotes will help lift your spirits and get you through a hectic day. Post them on your dry erase wall to provide yourself with daily prompts to reflect on the month of May from new points of view. Positive quotes about May. May is the month to feel good. Janet Wayant. May might not be the midsummer month of your dreams, but it's full of all the things that make spring and the brighter part of the year so special. Flowers bud, the sun shines, and new seeds are sown into the fabric of our lives. May is awesome. Jenna Danchik. May is the month to shake up stiff muscles and piled up emotions. As the start of summer, May brings energy, life, and courage. So, take full advantage of it and do what you don't have the chance to do this year. OurMindfulLife.com. Quotes about nature in May. May has long and warm days but not hot like August. It's the blooming season and every garden or forest seems like they are heaven. I mostly love the greenery of the landscapes, and of course, the brightest flowers come to life during this month. Marie-Anne. May seems to be the time when the sun finally starts to really shine. The days are noticeably getting longer, which just screams, summer is coming, and should have you and your internal clock getting excited for the season. Jenna Danchik. May acts as the bridge between spring and summer, hinting at warmer weather for those still stuck in spring's grasp, while heating things up for those already well on their way. Almanac.com. Quotes on the benefits of being born in May. It's no wonder that May babies have an extra pep in their step. Those that are born in May have a lot to be joyous about. The weather is warmer, flowers are blooming, and people are thrilled to be outside after the cold winter months. Marissa La Scala and Caterina Avendano. Most talented musicians, actors, and performers are born in May. They are socially active and can make friends wherever they go. They need fun and intelligence in equal amounts. Ferns and Petals website. May's birthstone is the emerald. The emerald symbolizes rebirth and fertility and was thought to grant foresight, cure various diseases, soothe nerves, improve memory, and ensure loyalty. Almanac.com. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at www.remarkablecoding.com.